Before creating Missionbase, I had tried pretty much every way that I knew to plan my tasks and to-dos. I had tried to-do apps, I had tried bullet journaling, I tried using my calendar, and certain things work better than others, but none of them seem to fit well with other project management tools. And at some point, I'd always fall off the wagon and it just wouldn't stick in the long term. So when I created Missionbase, that was a core part of what I wanted from Missionbase, was to pull in project management with daily planning and week planning to make it easy to manage your own week and manage your own day. So here's how I plan my week and my day in Missionbase. So in Missionbase, you come to the planner screen. From here, you have an overview of your upcoming week, the next 5 days. You can scroll forwards and backwards in time. So to plan my week, I just come over here to the unscheduled tasks column, and I just begin to drag and drop my tasks where I want to put them for the week. The unscheduled task column is filtered by project boxes, so you can change the box and focus on specific projects or teams that you need to schedule for. If I have marketing tasks I need to work on, I can come over to the marketing column and drag task over to a specific day. I can then hop over to a different project and bring these into a day where I have some free time. And it makes it really easy to see what you have upcoming in the week. Once you've scheduled your tasks for your week or for your day, you can then head over to your today view and see what things you have to work on today. From here, you can drag and reorder them. You can filter them by different project boxes. You can also prioritize tasks with a star so that you can focus on specific tasks at a designated time. And of course, you can also mark tasks as complete. If you'd like to give it a try, you can just head over to missionbase.app and sign up for your free trial.